Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Alia Maisara binti Fazilul Akbar and my student ID is 2025 820132.
Hi, my name is Nur Erna Farisha. My student ID is 2025 865448. Bye.
Hi, my name is Nuri Batisha binti Razman and my student ID is 2025 895246.
Geometry originating from ancient Greek words meaning earth's measurement. It's the branch of mathematics concerned with the properties, relationship, and measurements of points, line, angles, surface, and solids. Over time, geometry has evolved through contributions from Islamic mathematics during the Middle Age. As for example, when we look at a building, the shapes and structure we see all part of geometry. This subject is not just about drawing, it also involves solving problems and understanding how different shapes relate to each other. In geometry, we learn about different types of shapes like triangle, circles, and squares, and how to calculate their areas and perimeters. We also explore 3D shapes like cubes, spheres. Understanding geometry helps us in everyday life, from designing buildings to creating arts and even in sport.
For our first case, we look at the Leaning Tower of Pisa, which is modeled as a cylindrical tower standing on level ground. The radius of the base is 6 meters. From a point on the ground that is 45 meters away from the base of the tower, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 51 degrees. Question A. Calculate the height of the tower, and question B. Calculate the volume of the tower. For question A, we need to find the height of the tower. To find the height, we use trigonometry, specifically the tangent ratio. Tangent theta equal to opposite over adjacent. So tangent 51 degree equal to height over 45. So height equal to 45 times tangent 51 degree. Tangent 51 degree is 1.2349. So height equal to 45 times 1.2349. So the answer for height is 55.5705 meter. Next, we find the volume of the tower. Since the tower is cylindrical, we use the formula volume equal to pi r square h. When we substitute the values, the equation is volume equal to pi times 6 square times 55.5705. 6 square is equal to 36. So volume equal to pi times 36 times 55.5705. Therefore, the volume of the Leaning Tower of Pisa is approximately 6283.19 cubic meters.
For case 2, we choose pizza. A pizza is shaped like a circle with a radius of 14 cm. A. Calculate the circumference of the pizza. B. Calculate the area of the pizza. C. If the cost of the pizza is 24 ringgit, find the cost of one slice when the pizza is cut into 8 equal slices. Use pi equal to 22/7. For question A, calculate the circumference of the pizza. Circle equal to 2 pi r. So, we replace pi with 22/7 and r with 14. So, the answer is 88 cm. Next, for question B, calculate the area of the pizza. Area A equal to pi r square. So, replace the pi with 22/7 and r with 14. So, the answer is 616 cm square. For question C, if the cost of the pizza is 24 ringgit, find the cost of one slice when the pizza is cut into 8 equal slices. Total cost equal 24. Number of slice 8. So cost per slice 24/8. And the answer is 3 ringgit.
In conclusion, geometry is an important part of everyday life. Every object exists with their own shape. As you have seen, there are many unique buildings that have been built in this world by knowledgeable people who studied geometry. As example, Louvre Pyramid, Paris. Even assuming that the shape of the building will not complete without using geometry shape, starting with history and background of geometry, we recognize the connection between mathematics and world history. In addition, the science of geometry also has a major impact on evolutionary change of the world.